Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe now. And if you want to see Budget with Brian videos next time they come out, hit the bell. What I've got here is the solution to my frustration. One of the problems I have is whenever I'm at my bench or walking around a site, I can never find a pencil, I can never find a felt tip, and I thought, in this silliness, buy 72 in its jar from Stanley. Not sponsored by Stanley, I have to say straight away, but hey, Stanley, we want to get in touch. But this is my solution to my frustration, and all I've got to do is pull out yet another one, and if I lose it, it's not the biggest issue in the world, and eventually it's going to be empty, and I'll probably buy another jar full of these. I have to say that we have actually reviewed these kind of markers before, and the one that we preferred was the Milwaukee one, and there's a link to that video above, but this is what Milwaukee don't do the little ones like these, and this is by impulse buy, my workshop, my bit of fun. Have a look at the links below if you're tempted to buy 72 of these like I have. About £35. We're on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and of course there's a link below to Amazon. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian today.